What if I told you that most men spend their entire lives trying to attract women the wrong way and never realize it? In the next few minutes, you're going to discover a perspective so powerful that once you truly understand it, your conversations with women will never be the same again. You're about to learn a rare secret that most men never figure out about attraction. By the time you finish this video, you'll understand how to talk to women naturally, how to spark their curiosity, and how to make them think about you long after the conversation ends. Picture this. This is you, and this is the woman you're about to talk to. The question is, what do you say? What topics do you choose? How do you make the conversation flow effortlessly instead of feeling forced or awkward? The first and biggest mistake men make when talking to a woman is overthinking. They overthink what topic to choose. They overthink every word before they say it. They overanalyze their tone, their posture, their facial expressions. And in doing so, they destroy the natural flow. Before we go deeper, you must first change your internal perspective. Shift your mindset completely. Whenever you speak to a woman, remind yourself of one simple truth. She is just a human being, nothing more. Do not place her on a pedestal just because she is attractive. You may have heard this before, but hearing it is not enough. You must internalize it. From today onward, whenever you speak to a beautiful woman, remind yourself, she's just human. The second mindset shift is even more important. You must see yourself as the prize, not in an arrogant way, but in a grounded, self-assured way. You must internally believe that you hold higher value. I'll explain exactly how to express this, but for now, just understand the concept. When you're talking to a woman, there's a subconscious process happening inside her mind. There's an instinctive system evaluating you. It's scanning your behavior, your tone, your confidence, your reactions, trying to determine whether you are the right man for her. Attraction is not logical. Attraction is emotional. Women respond primarily to how they feel in your presence. They can't simply decide to be attracted to someone. Attraction is an automatic response triggered by specific behaviors. Here are two important truths. 1, women do not control who they are attracted to. Number 2, women do not control who they are not attracted to. Attraction happens on a subconscious level. Imagine this subconscious system as a radar. The moment you start speaking to her, that radar activates. It begins scanning you for signals, strength, confidence, self-assurance, independence. This radar operates separately from her logical mind. If the radar is strongly attracted to you, logic often loses the battle. That's why you sometimes see women repeatedly choosing the same type of man, even when logic tells them not to. Emotion overrides logic. Biologically speaking, a woman's deep instinct is to find a partner she perceives as strong, capable, and confident. She may be highly successful, a doctor, a scientist, even an astronaut, but attraction still operates on subconscious evaluation. And one of the biggest things this radar looks for is value hierarchy. Does he see himself as above me, or does he see me as above him? The way you interact reveals the answer. Now, let's move into body language. Forget the complicated advice you've heard. Forget always keep your chin up or never put your